Modernizing your classic Mustang is easy with Oracle Lighting. They offer a ton of awesome products like the one we have on the table. These are 7-inch halo headlights from Oracle Lighting. If you have the factory headlights still in your classic Mustang, then these will absolutely blow them out of the water, and on top of that, they're gonna look a whole lot better too. When you purchase these specific headlights, they're gonna come with the Oracle Lighting V-Series H4 bulb, and these guys put out a ton of light. But besides that, you're also gonna have the built-in halo, which comes in a variety of different colors. You're gonna have blue, amber, green, and red, and of course white, which we have on the table. Now, if you purchase the one with amber, you can actually wire the halos to work with the turn signals. As far as installing these, it's pretty easy, so let's go ahead and jump into it. First thing we need to do is take off the headlight bezel, which is usually held on by 4 Phillips head screws, but Betty here only has 3 of them. After that, take off the metal ring that holds on the headlight. Pop the ring off while holding the headlight. Pull your headlight out and disconnect the plug. Before putting in our new Oracle Lighting headlight, we have to install our Oracle Lighting bulb. So we're just going to pull the cover off. Push this spring down and over so it unlocks. Pull this little plastic cap out. Stick our headlight in. Then push this clip back down. Over, and just put your cover on. And then now we're ready for the next step. So like I said in the beginning of the video, these have a halo and we have to wire them in. Now it's very easy to wire them in. It's just a power and a ground, but there's a couple different ways we can do this. You can either wire them to a switch, or Oracle sells some different wireless controllers that you can wire them up that way so they just work off of the controller. Or if you purchase the amber ones, you can wire them to your turn signals. Now what I'm gonna end up doing is we're just gonna wire them up so that you can see them. We have a painless wiring harness here, so it's gonna be a lot different than the ones that you guys have at home on your classic Mustangs. But again, it's a very easy thing to do. One thing to point out too is that these have an LED driver. Do not cut this off or damage it in any way. This is going to prevent anything from happening to the actual LEDs themselves, anything as far as LED shock or electrical problems. After you connect the plug to the back of your headlights, you can go ahead and install it. Throw your metal ring on. Once you have everything tightened down, you can throw the headlight bezel on. And now that that's on there, we can repeat the exact same process on the other side. Well, we're all wrapped up the install, so let's go ahead and see how they look. And here we have the halos on with no low beams or high beams. And here we have the low beams from the Oracle Lighting headlights. And here's the high beams. Well, that's it for today's install. As you can see, the headlights look killer. They're way brighter than the factory headlights, and the install was super easy. If you want to purchase these headlights, we will have a link down below in our description as usual. But it's time to drop a gear and disappear, and we'll catch you on the next one.